In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a weekly planner in Google Sheets using Claude AI. This tutorial is designed to help you organize your week efficiently, combining the power of AI with the flexibility of Google Sheets. Let's get started by setting up the framework for your personalized weekly planner. To kick things off, you'll want to enlist the help of Claude to create your planner. Begin by prompting Claude with a detailed request. You might consider using a prompt like this. Create a simple weekly planner template for Google Sheets. It should include Monday through Sunday, with time slots from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Don't forget to add sections for tasks, priorities, appointments, and notes. Make it clean, beginner-friendly, and easy to copy into Google Sheets. Avoid using any complicated formulas. This prompt will guide Claude to generate a planner layout that you can seamlessly transfer into Google Sheets. Now that you have your template, it's time to create a Google Sheet. Go ahead and open Google Sheets in your browser. Once you're there, click on the option to start a blank spreadsheet. You'll want to give it a name that reflects its purpose. Something straightforward like Weekly Planner works perfectly. This way, you'll always be able to find it easily in the future. With your blank sheet open and ready, it's time to input your tasks for the week. Start entering activities directly into the relevant cells based on your schedule. For instance, maybe you've got work planned for Monday at 9 a.m. Simply type work into the cell corresponding to that time slot. It could be followed by a lunch break at 1 p.m., so add lunch accordingly. On Tuesday, perhaps you have time set aside for exercise at 6 p.m. Pop that into the planner as well. Continue this process for each activity throughout your week. Need to remind yourself about a study session on Wednesday at 7 p.m.? Type it in. Planning to go shopping on Saturday at 10 a.m.? Make sure it's noted. Adding a priority section can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your planner. Consider using the cells adjacent to each day to list priorities. By distinguishing between tasks that are urgent and those that can wait, you'll organize your time much more effectively. Simply type priority in a cell at the top of this column, so it's clear at a glance. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a weekly planner using Google Sheets with the help of Claude AI. This planner will serve as a visual representation of your week's structure, helping you to manage your time and commitments better. Customize it as needed, and you'll find it can adapt to accommodate life's changes with ease. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough, and I hope your new planner helps you stay organized and productive.